Independent or independent, decision or decision. Let's take a look at reductions and schwa sounds with the letter E. Unlike other languages, like Romance languages, like Spanish, Italian, and others, where basically syllables receive equal stress, English is a stressed timed language. So what often happens is parts of a word that receive heavier stress get more emphasis. So if a part of a word has less stress, it often gets reduced. That means that the vowel sound often changes to a schwa. We've talked about schwa sounds before, where you want your mouth to be mostly closed and relaxed in front of your tongue, raised. It sounds like the in fun, fun. In this video, we're going to take a look at words that use the letter E and have that E get reduced into a schwa sound. So instead of making like a D or a D sound, it's going to make an sound, Now, if you don't make the reduction, if you pronounce the vowel normally, that's okay too. Just be aware that often native speakers are going to reduce it and use more of a schwa sound. Let's take a look at our list of words. Also, just really quick, a reminder to subscribe to our channel. Decision, decision. Independent, independent. Nevertheless, nevertheless. Necessary, necessary. Severity, severity. Benefit, benefit. Enemy, enemy. Mechanical, mechanical. Interesting, interesting. Tenacious, tenacious. Reduction, reduction. Element, element. Be sure to take a look at our other videos on the schwa sound where we compare it to other sounds too. So for instance, shot and shut sounds like that, or lock and luck, or just practice the schwa sound in isolation. Thank you so much for your time. See you in our next video. Take care.